Welcome back to my Garage Barbecue. Today we're doing something just a little bit different. I'm making some chicken fried nachos. That's right, chicken fried nachos. We're gonna take some chicken breast, we're gonna pound it out a little bit, we're gonna cut them into triangles, we're gonna take the tortilla chips, crumble them up, we're gonna make a breading for it, we're gonna throw some Uncle Steve shake in that breading. We're also gonna make a killer queso sauce to go on top of this. We're gonna do that on the Yoder YS640S. I'm also gonna show you how to make some guacamole that's sure to knock your socks off. You ready to do this? Let's go! All right, let's get our queso going here. We're gonna go with 1 pound Velveeta cubed up. I got 4 ounces of pepper jack and 4 ounces of Kobe jack that I shred up myself. If you can shred it up yourself, that's the best bet. There's no fillers or anything, it melts a lot better. Get that in there. One can Rotel. Dump it right in there. I got 1 jalapeno. I fire roasted up, deveined, deseeded. Get that in there. I'm gonna come back with a little bit of Uncle Steve's Competition pig powder. Give it a nice little whack there. And I'm also gonna come back with a little bit of my own Cajun rub that I made on my shrimp boil on a rotisserie. If you wanna know how this is made, check that video out. Pretty much all there is to it. We're gonna throw this up on the Yoder. We'll meet you there. All right, we got the Yoder set at 250. We are going upper deck here. We're back in about 20 minutes, so 25 minutes, check it out. We'll be back. All right, let's whip up some quick guacamole. I got 2 avocados in the bowl that I mashed up already. Going with half of a lime. Get that in there. I got a half a Roma tomato, diced up, half a small onion, 1 clove of garlic minced up, and maybe about a tablespoon of cilantro minced up. Everybody in. Give us a quick mix. Now we're gonna add a little bit of Uncle Steve's Gator Shake in this. If you've never had Gator Shake, I suggest you try it. And if you have Gator Shake and you like guacamole, this is where it's going. Sprinkle that right on there. A little bit of fresh pepper. Stir it around. Quick little taste. Perfect. Well, there you go. Quick and easy guacamole. Simple. Get yourself some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, and you're good to go. We'll be back. All right, let's get a quick peek at our queso. Coming along nicely. Just mix everything up here. It's coming along great. Just gonna finish mixing this up here. Let it go probably for another 10-15 minutes. And we'll come grab it. We'll be back. All right, we got our dredging station set up. I got flour, and I got some competition bird powder in, Uncle Steve's. Egg wash, crushed up corn tortillas, that I got the Gator Shake in there. Just gonna run them right through. We're gonna hit them with the flour first. So the little chips. Flour, egg wash, corn chip, I'm gonna go back in this egg wash one more time. Hit it back in that corn chip again. Just like that there. I'm gonna get a few done. We'll bring you back when I'm ready to fry them up. We'll be back. All right, we're ready. Let's fry them up. You're gonna want to put them in away from you in your oil. We're running at about 375. These are gonna be fast. They're thin. Don't want to overcrowd it. We'll get a few of these done and we'll be right back. I'm gonna spend about a few minutes flipping them over. Pretty much done. Just take them off, let them drain off on the side. Get the next batch going. I'll bring you back when I plate this up. We'll be back. All right, we got our chicken nachos. We're ready to top them up. This came out real good. Let's get a little bit of queso on there. It's been on the Yoder for a while now. A little more. Hit up with some fresh pico de gallo we made up. Some of the guacamole I showed you how to make. Let's go with a little bit of sour cream. And come back with a little chopped up cilantro just for a little color. Let me get you off this. We'll take a taste test. Get a little dry by here. Let's get a little taste test. Guacamole. Some of that queso. That is awesome. Packed with flavor. Queso is awesome by itself. But using the tortilla chips as a crust, it's pretty damn tasty. I'm gonna get Uncle Steve's in there. And there you go. That's my chicken fried nachos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.